Last week I finished building my shed. Now I can get the house emptied and fill it with stuff. What I've got loads of is wood. So I was just going to shove it all along the back wall on the floor, and then I realised that's a really inefficient use of space. So what I think I'd do is build a timber rack. I built the shed out of 3x2s, and what I've got is all the offcuts from them. What I'm thinking is I can make something that attaches to the studs. So if I get 3 of these together and have the middle one shorter, they will go over a stud and jot out. And then we can add some more supports in afterwards. So the first job is to make these brackets, and I think I can do it without any measuring and cutting at the moment. So a bit of wood acts as a stud, another bit to go on top of it, and then a bit to go either side. So if I just get some glue and screws to lock those 3 bits together, and then we can come back when it's set and trim it flush. Okay, that is 6 of these brackets done. Now I'm just going to leave them to dry, and I'm going to set up the miter saw. The glue's dried on all these now, so I'm going to get a stop set up on this miter saw and get them all cut to the same length. I want these to go up with enough height under them for a full sheet of, say, plywood on its side. So I'm going to cut some more supports out of 2x3s to go in this gap to get the right height. These bits of wood now can go either side of this stud and get them screwed onto there. These brackets can now go on. Tight is a good thing. And then I can get some screws just to lock them into place. All 3 are screwed in, but it's not really the screws that are going to hold it in place. It's the wedging effect of the wood around it, and that's going to stop them tilting. So now I can work out where I want the second shelf to go, and then I'm going to cut a bit of wood that fills this gap here. I think about 30 centimetres between shelves should work. And that'll give me, about the same to the ceiling. I've set up a stop block again. Now I can get 6 more of these cut. These blocks now can sit either side of the bracket and get screwed in. This first bracket is feeling really secure now, it's wedged in. So we can get the next one put on top of those supports we've just put in, and you've guessed it, screwed into place. Right, so the last thing to do is get some extra supports in here that's really going to wedge it all into place. Trouble is, ceiling slopes this way, so each cut is going to have to be slightly different. So get those cut and put in. Right, that's it, all done. Now I can start moving some wood out here. Okay, let's get this thing filled up. One down. Okay, I've definitely got more wood than this, but it's hidden under the sofa and places like that. So I'm going to start moving all the other bits in, and then I can bring out more timber when I come across it. So I've got everything in here and I can't believe how full it is already. I definitely need to start making some things and using up all this wood. In fact, some of it's going to be split up for kindling for my mum. Anyway, yeah, I think that's worked well. Got the timber up there. It's not too disorganised in here and it's all at my house. So thanks for watching. Thanks to my patrons and please subscribe for more videos.